Hey, this is man.php.com. After we install our first basic Joomla component, our second tutorial is to create an XML form on the component. So we also have installation file. We will download this one and let's transfer it on the desktop. Let's drag this. So since we already installed mini hosting, what we're gonna do now is to copy the codes and paste it on our existing com hosting. So on our Joomla, go to our administrator and to the components and find com hosting. So on our new installation file, let's open this and let's copy this model folder and paste it under the com hosting folder. Now our models folder have this function, and also we already create a form XML. So this is our XML. On our views, we will edit our view.html.php. So we will copy this code. This is to call the form and copy it on our existing view.html.php. Paste it here. And also copy the toolbar. Paste it here. So we will edit our layout. Let's go to our tmpl folder and open the file default and copy all. So on our layout, paste it here and let's try to refresh this. So this is our XML form. On our next tutorial, I will discuss and teach you on how to save this on the database. Thank you.